Good morning or good afternoon, everyone. This presentation is meant to share with you the recent development in terms of climate services for advancing adaptation in Africa at continental level at ACMAD. We'll focus on the new products ACMAD developed on the start of the agricultural season, which is one of the main services in the agricultural calendar. ACMAD mission is to act as a continental weather and climate watch center and an institution of excellence for the application of meteorology for sustainable development. The vision of the center is to become a world-class operational continental center, providing weather and climate services for sustainable development. In the ClimSA project, ACMAD work on three key sectors: agriculture and food security, health, and disaster risk reduction, as well as water. This presentation focuses on the services to support disaster risk reduction in Africa. In the weather and climate service value chain, ACMAD is active on specific functions, including forecasting, product development, research and innovation, service delivery. On the service delivery value chain, ACMAD is almost active on most of the elements, from technical notes to support forecast briefings in national med services, to monthly climate diagnostics and outlook, seasonal climate outlooks, annual state of climate reports, and brief for policy and decision makers, including expected climate phenomena, hazards, impacts, and suggested measures for building resilience. All this information, particularly the measures, are included in the update of the development plans, resilience plans, and preparation, response, and post-disaster needs assessment planning. ACMAD, since 2015, is a regional climate center for Africa, generating mandatory products for national meteorological services on climate monitoring, long-range forecasting, training, and data services. On the climate monitoring function of the regional climate center, as we mentioned, the main development has been on the monitoring and short-term forecasting of onset of the season. In the ClimSA project, ACMAD worked on three sectors: agriculture and food security, health, as well as disaster risk reduction, with the African Farmers Federation as at the user interface for agriculture, ClimHealth Africa Network at the health interface, and the African Working Group on Disaster Reduction and its regional platform for the disaster risk reduction interface. In terms of services, the start of the agricultural season is one service: hazard watch, African drought monitor, seasonal temperature and precipitation outlooks, and meningitis vigilance for health. Impact-based forecasting and response measures for disaster management planning update is one of the key results of the MESA program that ACMAD will continue to implement during ClimSA project. Here the outlook includes hazards, outlook, impacts, and measures. As you can see in this specific case, it is the brief for the summer 2021, northern summer, indicating above average monsoon rainfall over West Africa and related hazards, including floods and impacts. For the agricultural calendar update, since 2020, ACMAD embarked in an effort to monitor the onsets and forecast 2 weeks ahead the late or early onset situation. In this case, we have in 2020 for example, over the westernmost part of West Africa, early onset detected by the ACMAD algorithm. In 2021, mostly late onset detected by the algorithm. And this information is very crucial to anticipate and avoid multiple planting across the countries, in the countries across Africa. One main other finding is that some parts of Central Sahel and the Gulf of Guinea over the 2 years have a consecutive 2 years with late onset. Thank you.